Good day, guys. Yeah, I want to show you how I took this trade right here. This I figure out this order block in 1 minute. I mean 1 hour. Sorry, in 1 hour. I thought it would direct market back to this other flow that caused this break of structure, but market is yet to reverse to this zone right here. So when I noticed that market keep moving up, I was like, okay, let me see what's going on in the market. So I went to the mini time frame, 5 minute time frame. I see that like market come back to this area and then cause break of structure right here. I was like, okay, let me see what's going on. And I got to the 1 minute time frame. I took everything, like I did this analysis in 1 minute time frame, everything in 1 minute time frame. So that was on the 10th of November. That was yesterday. So I figured out like this order block in 1 minute time frame, and there's very little gap right here, and there's liquidity on market mitigating, then cause market shift right here, then after market shift, then break of structure occur right here. So although I was expecting market to mitigate, I took this trade right here, but it my stop loss. Though I think it's because of my own mistake where I placed my stop loss. I placed my stop loss, and it's because of my greediness though. Uh, Let me show you how I took trade from there. So after this market shift, I was expecting market to come back to this. There's other block right here. The market refused to mitigate. Market number like little fair value gap is right there. Little fair value gap is right there. And I take this area as my liquidity. Liquidity. Yeah. I take this area as my liquidity. And can I even say probably I entered the trade late. I entered the trade late because after this, I should have entered. I should have placed my order after this bullish candle close because the candle engulfed this bearish candle. I should have entered right here and placed my stop loss below this low. Yeah, below that low. I should have placed my stop loss right there and take the advantage of, because all this movement took me out of the trade. I didn't expect market, to be honest. I didn't expect I didn't expect market to come back down to this area or to sweep this other block once again. I entered the trade right here after this candle close. Even no, yeah, because there's market shift. There's market shift. Not even here, not even here. I wait for the market shift again because this is the last love. I wait for the market shift again right here, right here. Yeah, I wait for the market shift again, and I enter. Yeah, after this second kind of closing bullish, and I place my stop loss. I really don't want to. I really don't want to risk more than that because I can I even say I enter late or something. Or I was trying to wait for more confirmation. I my stop loss got hit because of where I placed my stop loss. Yeah, I should have placed my stop loss right here, but I was too greedy. And at the same time I don't want to risk more than what I was risking, and I placed it below that. Yeah, below this low. Yeah, and the market took me a little bit, like just took me and then move in my direction. I should have taken the advantage of this movement right here. I should have take this advantage right here. I was targeting somewhere around this area because I did not know where market can reverse from. So I should have taken this trade right here. Well, this is what it is. Though I later took the trade yesterday. So After my stop loss got hit, I leave the market like to do what it really want to do, and market move way to the up right here. It move all the way to this up and then reverse back, and the market get to this area because I took this area as well as my order block. I take this area as my order 1 minute order block, the area that sweep the liquidity right here, that sweep this 1 hour and 1 minute order block. So there's other block right here, and there's very very low and there's liquidity right here as well. So market come back to mitigate the order block, 1 minute order block again, and then cause market shift once again. Is the market shift. So there's the order flow that caused this breakout. This is the order flow that caused our market even come back down there because before it took out this high. So this place is definitely our liquidity, and this other block right here, this other block, this other block right here, and there's very very low gap. There's very very low gap, and there's also a liquidity. I even set this market. I placed my order immediately. Like immediately I figure out this order block and under flow at the same time, and the liquidity. I just place my order because I wait for the confirmation market shift. I like that show that market is ready to move up. So I place my order, market do this, and then though this my let's go to 5 minutes. I was targeting this high, but I later closed right here because we're about to move to the Asian section, and I really don't know what can happen. Probably market after this reversal, I just okay, I think I should close right here. I closed right here. I was targeting this area. That's my is my initial take profit, but market later hit the hit my take profit though. But I left market around this zone because after this reversal, like I was like, and I was ready to to sleep, and I was like, okay, I don't want to wait anymore. I need to close because market can even come back to this to this lower. So that's it, guys. That's it about I execute all this trade in 1 minute time frame. Thanks for watching. This is our today's trade. This is our today's trade. We are targeting this area right here. There's breaker block right here. Let me show you. Let me show you breaker block. There's breaker block right here. I figured out the breaker block in 15 minutes. But I want to I want to take my profit before that breaker block because market can come to this area and now start consolidating, and I don't want to stay long in this market. I should have placed my stop loss. I mean take profit right here. I will show you this like whatever it happens in this market, probably stop loss, E or take profit. Like I'll show you the next in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.